show you a love that you can understand. Was filled with her when happiness doesn't work. I sing horrible, so don't even tell me I sing horrible. Do the pain with. She's not looking at me, I'm scared. Because I'd rather feel pain than nothing at all. Pain. Why are you guys looking at me like that? I'm singing a song. Than nothing at all. Well, why does she have rock in here? And agony are better than misery. You should see you guys' face.